In this section, you will learn how to use text embeddings. Machines love to work with numbers. Embeddings are numeric codes or mathematical representation of words, phrases, and sentences that will capture the meaning and relationship of these words, phrases, and sentences. Here is an example of three words, happy, joyful, and glad, which are usually used in a similar context. If we assign numeric codes like 1, 2, and 3 to these words, any algorithm or machine by looking at these numeric codes can easily figure out the relationship between these words. 1 and 2 are much closer than 1 and 3. So it will know that happy and joyful are much more frequently used or closely related than happy and glad. But in real time, these numeric codes or embeddings are much more complex. They are represented using vectors, and this is how they will look like. Because they capture the complete context. They know in which sentences a particular word is frequently occurring, how is it related to other sentences, or how is it related to other words, and all that information is present in numeric form in an embedded vector. By comparing these vectors, we can easily derive the relationship among words, not just words, we can also derive the relationship among sentences. Here I have two sentences. The sun is shining brightly in clear blue sky. It's a beautiful day with clear sunny sky, which are very similar. And this is how the embeddings of these two can look like, which are very close. So you can compare the embeddings of words, sentences, or phrases, and you can easily derive the relationship among those. So embeddings can be used for various use cases, starting with document similarity, search engines, recommendation systems, and language translation. You are going to explore some of these in the next few lectures.